welcome to my first YouTube channel. My name is FAIRSHA, the CEO of House of FAIRSHA. I'm from Akwa State. I base in Anambra State, Oka precisely. I'm from a family of 3. I'm the second one. I'm 25 years, February born. Why I want to be on YouTube? I know a lot of you will really want to know why I choose to be on YouTube. But first, I want to thank YouTube for giving me the platform to be sitting here today talking to you guys. It's really a privilege for those who know what I'm talking about. Back to the question why I choose to be on YouTube is because I love creating and constructing ordinary things to look beautiful. Sometimes when I'm alone or with some friends, I'll be like, oh, what am I thinking? I'm thinking what I will create, what I can do with my hands, how to do it, how to deliver, and how well to teach it. So guys, I want to use this channel to teach people how to be industrious and how to look good without breaking their bank accounts. Trust me, watching my channel will really help you. You don't even have to spend money just to look good. Believe me. And what I'll be creating on this channel is DIY, fashion, beauty. So that's the end of my video. Guys, thank you for clicking on my video. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Thank you for clicking on my video. I love and appreciate you. But guys, I need your love, your support, your comments and like, because this journey I'm going through is not easy. It's going to be like this, from like this to like this. So with your support, it's going to be fun. So guys, thank you for clicking on my channel. See you on my next video. Bye bye.